Want to get paid without any experience, skills, or startup cost? So these 5 websites actually pay, and I will show you guys today how to use it properly. Hey, I'm Mehedi Hasan, and welcome to Finance by Mehedi. If you're a student, beginner, or just want a cash flow, this might be the right video for you. Why? Let me share 5 actually which gonna pay you that kind of websites and how this works without any kind of skills. Straight right into it. Let's go. Number 1, Remo Talks. That's the place where you don't have to do like that kind of stuff, and without any skill, you just have to do leveling AI data, image processing, 3D mapping, and it's very good for international users like all around anywhere from the world, and it pays via PayPal. So obviously PayPal is widely available, and also other payment methods too. You could just explore by visiting. So I signed up and start leveling car images on the street images. It's not that hard. Even the website train you for free. Number 2, Click Worker. So that's for writers, surveys, and testing new apps. So that's basically you can do literally from your cell phone, your Android or iOS mobile phone. I did a product test and got around $5 in like 30 minutes. You can obviously try that out and see how it works with you. And yep, it's legit. Number 3, and I'm gonna tell you, it's not a BS, it's $1 billion marketplace. Yes, you heard it right. It's $1 billion marketplace, and the name is, you might be here of it. It's Fiverr. Fiverr. Anyways guys, here you can literally list micro gigs, and you can list any kind of your skills, no matter what it is. But it has to be digital skills. They give you 2-3 very easy Fiverr niche to work, which is ChatGPT or AI prompts, Canva designs, or even AI art. Yeah, and the good thing is you control your price. Yes, it's you control your price. Number 4 is respondent.io. So that's basically a high paying one. It pays like literally $20 to $200 per task. It's just about like researching multiple global interviews from different peoples. I literally applied for a remote study and got selected, and they paid me $50 in my PayPal. Yes, that's a legit one too. Number 5, guess what? Free Cash. Yes, the name by itself is Free Cash, and it's gonna pay you to watch videos, games, or even movies, and obviously service included with that. Yep, it's not a full time, but it's pretty good for your coffee money. Like I tried it and I made about like $5 in 20 minutes, and obviously that's better than scrolling TikToks. And you can just search on your own Free Cash and research about it. So if you ask me, out of these 5, which one I'm gonna choose? So I think Click Workers is the best one for a quick mobile cash, and Fiverr obviously if you want to build a long-term income and quit your job. All of them are free to start, work worldwide, and obviously that's pay. So real pay, no bullshit, no nothing. Let me know in the comment box which one you'll try first and what was the result. Obviously I will try my best to help you guys by a comment section, and obviously subscribe and like this video if you like it, and must subscribe and turn the bell icon, because on my next video I'm testing 3 AI tools, and that's gonna earn money passively. Yes, you heard it right, passively, while you're sleeping, pooping, or whatever you do, playing, you know, and that shit is real. You guys know that what's happening in online. So obviously, and thank you so much for watching Finance with Mehedi Hasan, and see you guys. Take care. Bye bye.